Today we'll be looking at USD card. We're looking at USD card, touching the trade I took yesterday, and also be showing you on how we would have taken advantage of some other positions. So this is USD card, and our trading system is on the charts, and it's very much active. As you can see, it's very much active. So this is USD card on a daily time frame. So we'll be using the A and the V shape to actually trade. This will be our main trading concept. So right here we have this A shape. Right? So for an A shape, for us to sell an A shape, we want price to come back into that level and then give us a confirmation that it wants to sell, and then we sell to the next level, right? But before this A shape, we had this open close level sitting right here. Right? And we also have price coming down to this low. We also have price coming down to the low of this candle. So in order to explain this perfectly well, you would see that firstly, price was bullish, right? Price was bullish here. So we had this level expecting price to maybe react from here, give us a buy entry to continue higher, but it didn't. Instead, it closed bearish like this. You see? So right now we are expecting two things. We either want price to maybe sweep this low before continuing, or get to this level before continuing higher, right? Either of those two, we're waiting for it. So what did price do? Let's just sweep that down. What is price do? We waited for price to come down to this level, then give us a confirmation that it wants to trade back up to this level. So if we go down to our entry time frame, you see that price did exactly what we expected it to do. Okay, let's see. Right here, this is what price did. Price came into the level. This is the level right here. Price came, swept the low of that candle, and then gave us, boom, this buy entry signal. So our buy entry was right here, and our stop loss would have been where you see this swing dot. So that's where our stop loss would have been, and then we hold the trade. Price went up and then hit our TP right here. So remember, this level was an A-shaped level, right? So when price gets to this level, this is where I want to make you understand that this is not like a completely perfect trading system, right? That doesn't fail. No, it actually has its own lags. Because it provides signals based on its own analysis, right? So there are obviously going to be times when it provides maybe early entries. You get in, and then take a few losses here and there. So this is what I was talking about. So we had this first entry, price went up, beautiful trade, make a lot of money from there. So we had this second entry. This is the second entry. This entry was given because the system recognized a change of character here. You see, as the market change of character, it recognized change of character here, so it gave the sell entry signal because price already tapped here. Price already tapped in, but it was giving higher highs, right? It was giving new highs, intermediate terminal highs, right? Then it gave us a change of character, then push back, and then push again and break. That is why this sell signal was given. So this is not a random trading tool. This is not a random trading system. It actually works based on technical analysis. It does its own technical analysis, then actually provides you the signal that you actually need to be profitable in that particular trade. but we took our entry here, set our stop loss up here, and price came back up gradually and took us out. But that is fine. That is fine, right? Because we waited again for some time, and then price came back down, then gave us a change of character, and then gave us another entry signal right here. So taking the entry signal, and beautiful signal, came back down and hit our TP. So that is it. So currently we are seeing a beautiful trade. We're seeing a beautiful trade happening on daily time frame. I think it's the daily. Yes, I think it's the daily. This is it. Beautiful trade happening right here. So first thing first, this is the first. We had this A shape right here. Price came. Let me just mark them all. Price came up to the level, and then gave us the signal. And then this is the second A shape right here. This is the second A shape here. Let me just mark it. I'm not going to put anything there. Let me just mark it. So price came up, give us that sell. So this is our target. Our first target was supposed to be this level, right? Because this is the level that could actually push price higher. So that would have been our first target from this man, right? From this guy, our first target is here. But from this guy, from this man, this level here, our target is down here, or probably here, right? Probably here. So this first one, the target is here. Let's look at it. So if we go down to our lower time frame where we take our entries, you would see that our first target has been met. Sorry. Oops. I'm back to 5 minutes. Where is it? Okay, this is it. 12. So price came up. Let me just go back and mark those levels again. I'm sorry. Just go back and mark those levels. This is the level. Here. There you go. That's it. So we'll go now to our entry. There you go. So again, we had another scenario, similar one, where we had an entry here, took us out, but that's okay because we had another entry up here. Our stop loss above here. Still this same level, price gave us two entries, one, and this is the other one, and we took the entry. Beautiful trade from here, and then we lock in our profit right down to this level. This was the level we locked in right there. Locked in the profit right down to this level. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. So the one for today, this is the level for today. This is it. That's it. That's the level. Go back to the daily so that you see clearly. For today, that is the level, you see. That's it right there. So if we go down to entry time frame, you see the level beautifully. That's it. Price came into it, gave us a sell entry, took it. Now we're riding it in profit. writing it in profit. So in case you are someone who likes trading based on RR, let's say you're targeting 1:3 RR, so you set your entry here, and maybe you're targeting 1:3. I believe we'd have gotten your 1:3. No. Okay, you wouldn't have gotten 1:3 because this 1:3 here still would have been in, the trade would have still been in profit. So what if it's 1:2 RR, you would have gotten 1:2 already ever since. But for 1:3 it's still riding. So if you're someone who likes to trade based on RR, you can also use the same system to trade. Yeah, so that is it. That's how we use this tool to trade forex, to trade volatilities, boom and crash, step index. So I'll be doing reviews on all those other pairs. I'll be doing reviews on all of them. Boom and crash, I'll be doing its reviews. Volatility indices, step indices or index, all those ones. Forex pairs like USDCAD, USDCHF, Euro USD, BTC, all those ones. I'll be doing reviews on all of them. So but I just want you to see the power of this trading tool, how it operates, how it works. Just wanted you to see how beautiful and powerful it is. So this is to let you know that it doesn't matter what you're trading, right? If it gives you that edge, if it gives you that level of consistency, I think you're good to go. But what you shouldn't do is take a system like this, take a tool like this and start trading it on its own. It's really not advisable. Not that it is not possible. It is possible, but I wouldn't advise it. You can trade a system like this with order blocks. You can trade a system like this with SMC. You can trade a system like this with ICT, Malaysian SNR, right? You can trade it in cooperation with those trading system and you will be profitable, not trading it independently. So that is it for now. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.